Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about the geography of Pakistan's divisions and the province of the Pakistan. Here is the first largest province of the Pakistan by area, that is Balochistan, and we will discuss about its geography. Firstly, we will discuss about districts, then headquarters, area in kilometer squares, population according to 1998, and the density of the people kilometer squares. First district is Awara. Its headquarters is also in Awara, and its area is 12,510, and its population is 118,173, and its density is 4 people kilometer square. Second district is Barkhan. Its headquarters is also in Barkhan. Its area is 3,514, and its population is 103,545, and its population means to say people living in the kilometer square are 29. Third is Kachi, that is in Bolan. Headquarters is Dadar, and its area is 7,499 kilometer square. Its population is 288,056, and its density is 38 people per kilometer square. Nextly we have Chagi. Its headquarters is also in Chagi. It has area 44,748, and its population is 300,000. Its population and its density is 7. Fifth, we have Dera Bhutti. Its headquarters is also in Dera Bhutti. Its area is about 10,160 kilometer squares, and its population is 1,081 and 310, and the density is 18 kilometer square. Gwadar, its headquarters is Gwadar, and it has the area 12,637 kilometer squares, and its population is 185,498, and its density is 15 people per kilometer square. Seventhly, we have Harnai. Its headquarters is also in Harnai, and its area is 4,096 kilometers, and it has a population about 140,000, and it has population 19 density. Ninthly, we have Jafarabad. Its headquarters is also in Jafarabad. It has the area 2,445 kilometers, and its density is 432,817, and its density is 177. Nextly, ninth, we have Jahal Magsi. It has headquarters also Jahal Magsi. It has the area 3,615 kilometer squares, and its population is 109,941, and its density is 30 people per kilometer. 10th district is Kallar. Its headquarters is also in Kallar. It has area 6,622 kilometer square, and it has the population 237,834, and it has density 36 kilometer per people living at that area. Kitch, that is in the Turbat. Its headquarters is Turbat, and it has the area 22,539 kilometer square, and it has a population 413,204, and its density is 18 kilometer square as the people living at that area. 12th we have district Kharan. Its headquarters is also in Kharan and it has the area 8,958 and the population is 132,500 and density is 4 people living at that place. Kohlu. Its headquarters is also in Kohlu and it has the area 7,610 and its density is 99,846 and it has density about 13 people living in that area. 14th we have Khuzdar. Its headquarters is also Khuzdar and the area is 35,318 kilometers square and the population is 417,466 and the population is about 12 kilometer people living at that place. Its density. 5th we have Qila Abdullah. Its headquarters is also in Qila Abdullah. Its area is 3,293 and its population is about 317,269 and its density is 112. 16th district we have Qila Saifullah. Qila Saifullah, its headquarters is also Qila Saifullah. It has the area 6,831 kilometers square and the population living at that area is 193,553 and the density is 28. 17 we have Lasbela. Its headquarters is also in Lasbela. It has the area 15,153 and the people living at that place with population is 312,695 and density is 21 people. 18th we have Loralai. Its headquarters is also in Loralai. Its area is 9,830 kilometers square. Its population is 295,555 and its density is 30. 19th district we have Mastang. Its headquarters is also in Mastang and it has the area 5,896 and its population is 179,784 and the density is 30 people living at that place. Musa Khel. Musa Khel's headquarters is also in Musa Khel. Its area is 5,728 and its population is 134,056 and its density is 23. 21st we have Nasirabad. Its Dera Murad Jamali and its headquarters is Dera Murad Jamali. Its area is about 3,387 and its population is about 245,894 and it has the density 73 people living at that time. 22 we have Noshki. Its headquarters is also in Noshki and it has the area 5,797 and the population is 137,500 and it has a density 23. 23rd we have Panjgur. Its headquarters is also in Panjgur and its area is about 16,891. Its population is 234,051 and the density is 14. Now we have Pishin. Its headquarters is also Pishin. Its area is about 7,819. Its population is 367,183. Its density is 47. Nextly we have Quetta. Quetta, its headquarters is also Quetta and its area is about 2,653 and its population is 744,802 and it has a density 281. 26 we have Sherani, its headquarters is also in Sherani. We have now Sibbi, its headquarters is also in Sibbi. It has area about 7,796. It has a population 180,398 and its density is 23 people living at that place. 28 we have Basok. Its headquarters is also in Basok. It has the area about 29,510 kilometers and the population is about 118,171 and the population's density is about 4.0. 29th we have Zoo. Its headquarters is also in Zoo. Its area is about 20,297 and the population is about 275,142 and its density is 14 people living at that time. At the 13th number we have Ziyarat. Its headquarters is also in Ziyarat. It has the area 1,489 and the population is 33,340 and it has density 22 people living at that time kilometers square. 31st we have Lahri. That is not present in the map and its headquarters is Bakhtirabad. Bakhtirabad has the area 9,830 kilometers and the population 295,555 and it has a density 30 people living per kilometer. And 32 we have Sohbatpur. That is also not found at the map and its headquarters is also in the Sohbatpur. It has the area 7,796 and its population is 180,398 and its density is 23 people living at that time. Okay, now we discuss about the districts, headquarters, population and the density of the province Balochistan. We will discuss in the next topic the other province. Okay, goodbye.